How to transfer crypto from Bitget to Revolut in 2025. So first thing you need to do is find your Revolut crypto deposit address. So log into your Revolut app, go to crypto, tap the receive button, and then select the specific cryptocurrency you want to deposit. And you'll see your deposit address for that cryptocurrency. So simply just copy that address. Now, what you need to do next is initiate a withdrawal from Bitget. So log into your Bitget account, go to withdraw, select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Now in there, enter the Revolut deposit address that you copied from the step 1 and enter the amount that you want to withdraw and simply just confirm the withdrawal including any fees. Then verify the transaction. So Budget will likely require you to verify the withdrawal through a two-factor authentication code or SMS or other security measures. And then once confirmed, the transaction will be processed and sent to Revolut. And then check Revolut for the deposit. So the deposit should appear in your Revolut crypto wallet within a few minutes, depending on the network and transaction confirmation times. You can also track the progress of the transaction using the Budget and Revolut apps. And those are steps on how you can transfer Budget to Revolut. And here's some important notes. Make sure you're using the correct network for the cryptocurrency you're transferring. And take note of the deposit limits, the fees, and address verification. And again, that's how you transfer from Budget to Revolut.